Welcome to Kodemine. So the next topic is find and replace. So what is find and replace? Find means you want to search something into your Excel sheet, or you can search into the entire your file, or you can select into a current sheet only, or you can select into a specific range, right? So I want to select in this particular. So for example, I want to search something. I want to search carry. I need to do in this way. I will search. uh, I can do two things here. I can find something, or I can replace something if that thing is find, right? So what I will do here, I will just show you how to search a thing. So right now it's not matching. Why? Because here we have a 3R. So I will try to find out. Now you guys can see here it is selected F3 and we are finding that value, right? So this is a benefit of find. And for example, how I can replace. For example, I want to replace carry with the code mine. So either I can replace one by one by clicking on replace, or I can click on replace all. What will happen whenever I click on replace all, it will change that find value with the replace with value into the entire option which you have select into the search option. If you have selected all sheet, it will replace in all the sheets. If it's a current sheet, it will only replace the value into current sheet. Otherwise it will replace the value into the specific range. So let's see. So you guys can see here, if you can see now, I just click on replace button and it's replace the carry with the code mine. So using Control Z, I am coming back. So this is a functionality about find and replace. This is a very useful functionality, and I hope you guys understand it, and keep practicing. If you guys have any query, question, comment into the comment box. Keep liking, keep sharing this content with your colleagues, friends, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.